So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So you may be noticing that there is a big dump in Bitcoin right now. Now why is that and what has happened to Bitcoin even after the ETF approval? So today we're going to be going over that, and today we're going to be talking about the reasons why Bitcoin is having a dump and why Grayscale is having a really big sell-off of around $200 million of Bitcoin in just the past couple hours. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen to see what's happening to Bitcoin. So we are now over at our screen, and as you can see, we are currently on coinmarket.com. And if we look at Bitcoin's current price, it is at $42,844. So Bitcoin is currently at a very low price right now. It's currently at $42,856. Now this is a low price considering where it was at just a couple of days ago. So it almost hit even 49,000 just this week, and it has come back all the way down to 42,855. Now as you can see, it is currently up by only 0.21% in the past hour. It's currently down by 7.67% in the past 24 hours, and in the 7-day it's currently down by 2.78%. So as we look at this, we can already see that this is showing some very bearish momentum right now. So even if you look at some recent articles on google.com talking about how Grayscale, which was a part of the couple firms that got accepted into the Bitcoin spot ETF approval, and Grayscale was one of them. So Grayscale is having a really big sell-off right now. They are at a sell-off of around $200 million right now. So you can already see from some past videos that why Grayscale is having such a sell-off. And if you look at the current price of Bitcoin, we can see that sell-off has affected this price a lot. So why is Grayscale having such a sell-off? So you might as well know that other companies also have gotten approvals for the spot Bitcoin ETF from the SEC. So there was a lot of companies, and one of the big ones was BlackRock. So this Grayscale and BlackRock are really competitive in this ETF fund. So for example, if you had an ETF in Grayscale, you had a fee of around 1.5%, but in BlackRock there's only a fee of 0.25%. So you can already see that this is a big percent change from around 0.25% to around 1.5%. So this is a really huge change, and this is why people are selling off the Grayscale ETF and buying in BlackRock instead. So in order to switch ETFs, you have Grayscale has to sell off their Bitcoin and then send those over in USD, and then it transfers to BlackRock, which has to rebuy the Bitcoin in order for the ETF to transfer over. So this sell off and buying is what's causing the fluctuation in Bitcoin right now, and this is why Grayscale is having a huge sell-off currently. So they are currently at around $200 million in sell-offs, and we have to currently wait and see what we can possibly see in the upcoming future and what Grayscale has to do with this ETF. So even if you look at the price, we can already see Bitcoin has dumped a lot. Even if we look at the 1 week, we can already see we are still down by 2.77%, even though we are after this ETF approval, which was considered to be bullish. A lot of people on YouTube were saying that this is a very bullish move after the ETF approval. The Bitcoin price is gonna go insane. But we are already 2 days after this ETF approval, and we haven't seen something crazy in the Bitcoin price yet. And a matter of fact, we are even currently lower than the price at the current ETF approval. So this is a really confusing move and a really concerning move. So we have yet to decide what we can expect from Bitcoin. So even if we look at the Bitcoin chart on TradingView, we can already see that Bitcoin is showing some type of bearish momentum, and this is just a correction for its price. So, and we may see a correction of price. So if you look at these lines that we have drawn earlier, you can see Bitcoin has, if we look at this resistance, Bitcoin has currently hit this resistance and it's currently trading here. So we can see this resistance was past hit at around early this month, so at around the 1st of January and even the 3rd of January, and it was hit a couple of times in this January 5. So this resistance is a pretty strong level of resistance because it has been hit a multiple times in the past few months, and now currently it has been hit once more. We are witnessing that right now. So we are back to our $42,000 range on TradingView on Bitcoin. So what can we expect from this? Well, we can expect Bitcoin to possibly go up to this level of resistance if it is currently to go bullish. So we can possibly see prices around 43,000, high 43,000 to around 44,000. So this is what we can expect Bitcoin in the short term. Now obviously in the long term Bitcoin is going to be bullish, but in the short term we can expect some Bitcoin to go back to around the 44,000 range. Now as you can see, these prices have broken the trend lines previously, and then even if we look at these downtrends, we can see it just only hit this. It didn't stay on this level of resistance. It kept falling down and down, and we are not even confirmed that this is gonna stay on this level of resistance. It may even fall lower, but that is very, very unlikely. So we are mostly to stop here in the bullish in the short term obviously, but we are gonna be bullish very, very soon. So that is upcoming, and we have to wait and see what we can expect from the price. So that was pretty much it. For this video, guys. In this video we explained how Grayscale, which was one of the big ETF firms that was involved in the Bitcoin spot ETF, has just gotten a big number of sell-offs in Bitcoin because of people transferring their ETF from one firm to another. So that's one big reason Bitcoin is seeing a lot of fluctuation in price, but this may be good in the future of Bitcoin, and we are currently to see more positive things in Bitcoin. It is currently down by a lot, but we are to expected some positive growth soon. So that was it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, please do make sure you check out my daily live streams that I do on this channel, and we talked about Bitcoin, any recent crypto news such as any recent price movements, and anything that has affected the price of the crypto market. So, and we also talk about any news that happened in this crypto community. So please do make sure to check those out, and I also create long form content like this, so you make sure to check out these also. So that was it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below on what type of videos I should create, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.